The stylish Equipmed PowerCruise Venture Plus offers the freedom to travel up to a huge 15 kilometres on a single charge. Crafted from high-grade aluminium, this lightweight yet supremely sturdy wheelchair can accommodate riders of up to 130 kilograms. The folding footrest ensures easy access. It offers an impressive range of up to 15 kilometres. The speed can be adjusted up to a sensible 6 kilometres per hour, and automatic braking maintains the same pace when descending. Powerful dual motors effortlessly deal with hills. A brake automatically engages when the wheelchair is stopped. And there are anti-tip wheels for added peace of mind. The joystick offers precise control to navigate tight corners with ease. The dual lithium battery configuration means it is approved for use by most airlines and cruise ships. This wheelchair is your go-to travel companion. Comprehensive 6-point suspension and 12-inch air-filled rear tyres ensure that it rolls smoothly on a range of surfaces. Swing-away armrests allow for access to tables, which makes it easy to catch up with friends. With the batteries removed, it is 26 kilograms, and it can be ready to load into a car in less than a minute. More than a journey, it's about the joy and independence that's gained every day with the PowerCruise Venture Plus.